Across an unforgiving ocean, engineers attempt a bridge so immense it could redefine distance forever, yet its greatest challenge remains hidden beneath the waves. Every towering span depends on unseen foundations, where powerful currents, crushing pressure, and unpredictable tides. Before the first pillar rises above the sea, thousands of calculations determine whether this extraordinary vision will...
The bridge will connect distant cities, transforming regional transportation, while overcoming one of the most demanding months of marine surveys reveal unstable seabeds, forcing designers to rethink foundation strategies before billions of dollars can safely rise above restless waters. Hidden beneath shifting sediments, engineers search for stable rock capable of supporting enormous loads across countless years of continuous traffic and changing weather. Every offshore foundation begins with precise positioning because even slight errors could multiply into dangerous structural misalignment across the entire bridge length. Construction crews prepare giant steel casings designed to resist relentless saltwater corrosion while guiding enormous foundation piles deep below the shifting seabed surface. Powerful hydraulic hammers will soon drive colossal piles through layers of sediment until every foundation reaches dependable geological strength beneath the ocean floor. Unexpected tidal forces challenge every operation, proving that nature constantly tests even the world's most engines. Engineers coordinate every offshore movement through sophisticated digital planning, ensuring hundreds of machines operate together.
Advanced digital twins continuously simulate waves, structural loads, and environmental changes before
Satellite positioning systems synchronize every vessel, allowing offshore operations to maintain extraordinary accuracy.
Specialized marine engineers carefully inspect every component because replacing damaged equipment offshore can delay progress.
The first offshore pile marks a defining milestone, transforming years of preparation into visible progress, rising steadily from the Every successful installation confirms the design while encouraging crews facing months of demanding offshore work under constantly changing weather and sea conditions ahead. Powerful ocean swells force floating equipment to move continuously, requiring extraordinary timing before marine construction advances only through patience because every operation must respect the rhythm of tides, winds, and unpredictable forces beyond human control completely. As more foundations emerge above the water, the future bridge finally begins revealing its astonishing scale across this. Yet installing foundations was merely the beginning, because the fiercest waves would soon challenge every machine. Towering waves become relentless opponents as offshore crews race against changing seas, knowing every delayed lift threatens schedules, safety, and structural precision together. Every heavy component must land within centimeters despite moving decks, unpredictable currents, and enormous forces constantly shifting. Marine engineers monitor wave patterns continuously because timing determines whether giant structural segments connect smoothly.
Construction accelerates whenever calm weather appears, transforming brief opportunities into extraordinary bursts of coordinated.
Massive concrete pile caps finally unite separate foundations, creating stable platforms capable of supporting towering bridge piers above the restless ocean for generations. Completed support strengthens the growing bridge while reducing uncertainty across one of history's most ambitious offshore engineering projects ever attempted successfully. Now towering bridge piers begin rising skyward, demanding extraordinary precision. As every vertical section, wind becomes another invisible challenge because taller structures experience increasing forces long before the bridge reaches its final height above surrounding waters.
Every connection between steel and concrete demands meticulous inspection because tiny imperfections could eventually compromise.
Unexpected crosswinds briefly halt critical lifting operations, reminding everyone that offshore construction always answers first to the power of changing weather conditions. Specialized floating cranes become indispensable because conventional land equipment cannot handle immense structural elements across deep, constantly moving offshore environments efficiently.
Every lift requires perfect coordination among tugboats, crane operators, marine pilots, and safety teams working together across a constantly shifting landscape offshore.
Gigantic bridge segments travel across open water before carefully joining supports already standing against relentless waves and powerful ocean currents every single day. Precision alignment systems guide every segment toward permanent installation, eliminating dangerous errors before enormous structural connections become impossible. Behind every successful milestone stands thousands of skilled professionals whose expertise transforms automation. Now reshapes construction as intelligent machines perform demanding tasks with remarkable consistency across challenging offshore environments beyond ordinary human endurance limits.
Robotic welding systems deliver extraordinary precision while maintaining consistent quality throughout thousands of structural connections, supporting the bridge's enormous future loading capacity.
Advanced machine vision continuously inspects every weld, detecting microscopic imperfections before structural components. Combining robotics with experienced engineers dramatically increases productivity while maintaining exceptional reliability throughout one of the world's largest bridge construction programs ever.
Course. Yet even revolutionary automation cannot prevent nature's fiercest storms from testing every decision awaiting the
maintenance. Meteorologists issue urgent warnings as a powerful storm approaches, forcing construction leaders to protect equipment. Every floating crane activates storm protection procedures because survival depends on preparation long before the strongest winds finally arrive across the open sea. Towering waves slam against offshore platforms, proving every structural calculation must withstand nature's overwhelming energy. Storm-resistant engineering transforms violent ocean forces into manageable structural loads through carefully designed foundations. As the storm weakens, inspections begin immediately, because hidden damage can threaten every future construction milestone. Detailed structural assessments confirm the offshore foundations performed exactly as intended, validating years of engineering research. Construction resumes with renewed confidence as enormous bridge segments continue advancing steadily toward the center of the crossing from opposite directions simultaneously. Each newly installed span reduces the remaining distance, bringing an extraordinary engineering vision visibly closer to.
Bridge deck assembly demands exceptional alignment because even microscopic deviations become significant.
Powerful synchronized jacks distribute immense forces evenly, allowing gigantic structural elements to settle safely. The growing bridge now dominates the horizon, revealing an astonishing scale, impossible to appreciate from indications. Advanced monitoring systems quietly observe every structural movement, creating continuous awareness long before tiny changes develop. Thousands of intelligent sensors measure vibration, strain, temperature, and wind, providing engineers with an unprecedented understanding of bridge performance every second.
Artificial intelligence rapidly analyzes incoming measurements, identifying subtle patterns impossible for traditional inspection methods to recognize before potential problems emerge.
Predictive maintenance allows repair teams to intervene early, reducing operational risks while extending the lifespan of critical bridge components through proactive planning. Every innovation serves one purpose: ensuring millions of future travelers cross safely, regardless of weather. Only one final challenge remains before the bridge becomes a continuous pathway connecting distant coastlines across one of Earth's most demanding marine environments.
Engineers prepare for the most precise installation because the final connection tolerates almost no measurable alignment error under immense structural loads whatsoever.
Every instrument confirms perfect positioning, allowing the final structural movement to begin with extraordinary confidence.
Within moments, the world's longest sea bridge will stand complete, opening an entirely new chapter in. The final bridge segment begins descending, marking the most delicate operation after years of relentless engineering across unforgiving offshore construction conditions together. Millimeter-level accuracy determines success because even the smallest deviation could affect structural continuity across the entire bridge for decades ahead permanently. With perfect alignment confirmed, engineers permanently secure the connection, transforming separated structures into one. For the first time, uninterrupted structural continuity stretches across the ocean, completing an extraordinary engineering. Engineers carefully evaluate vibration, deflection, and stability, confirming every component performs exactly as predicted under realistic operational loading conditions together.
Strong coastal winds create another demanding evaluation, verifying aerodynamic stability before permanent traffic begins crossing the exposed marine environment every single day.
Emergency response systems undergo extensive verification, ensuring rapid assistance remains available across one of.
Advanced surveillance technology continuously protects the bridge, monitoring weather, traffic, and structural conditions through intelligent.
Artificial intelligence instantly processes thousands of infrastructure signals, helping engineers anticipate maintenance needs before.
As final inspections conclude, every completed detail reflects countless engineering decisions carefully refined throughout years.
Night illumination transforms the bridge into a striking landmark while enhancing visibility and operational safety across the expansive marine crossing after sunset daily. Powerful navigation lighting also guides passing ships safely beneath towering bridge spans during darkness, fog, and challenging coastal weather throughout every season reliably.
Transportation networks immediately benefit, because travel becomes dramatically faster between regions.
Freight transportation becomes more efficient, strengthening supply chains while supporting economic growth across connected coastal cities and expanding industrial regions together.
The completed bridge represents far more than infrastructure because it demonstrates humanity's ability to overcome Future generations will inherit not only a transportation link but also decades of engineering knowledge gained through extraordinary offshore construction challenges successfully. Every completed kilometer reminds the world that impossible ambitions become achievable through vision, persistence, precision. Yet this remarkable achievement may inspire even greater marine engineering projects, waiting beyond today's missions. The next engineering revolution could already be taking shape beyond the horizon, preparing humanity for even more aid. Communities once separated by wide stretches of water now share faster travel, stronger commerce, and an unprecedented. Regional economies rapidly evolve because dependable transportation encourages investment, tourism, nations. The bridge quietly demonstrates how engineering shapes everyday life, creating lasting benefits extending far. Engineers worldwide study every innovation here, applying valuable lessons to future offshore infrastructure projects. Future sea crossings will likely become even longer, stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Because artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous systems will continue transforming construction, reducing risks while increasing content. The world's longest sea bridge stands as proof that determination and innovation can overcome extraordinary natural. Every foundation beneath the waves supports more than concrete because it carries generations of ambition. Looking across this extraordinary crossing, it becomes difficult to remember a time when these distant shores remained physically separated for centuries before now. But an even greater engineering challenge may already be emerging somewhere beyond today's horizon, waiting for the next generation to redefine impossible once again. If this remarkable engineering journey inspired your curiosity, another extraordinary construction story is already waiting just beyond next horizon. Thank you for exploring one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. And we'll meet again where the next possible construction link. Tomorrow's offshore bridges may extend even farther, connecting entire regions once isolated by vast oceans. Self-healing concrete could dramatically reduce maintenance, automatically sealing microscopic cracks before they expand into costly structural repairs over many decades ahead. Future composite materials promise lighter spans with greater strength, allowing engineers to cross wider oceans using fewer structural supports than ever before. Autonomous maintenance robots may someday inspect every hidden component continuously, reducing risks while extending infrastructure life. Artificial intelligence will likely coordinate thousands of construction activities simultaneously, optimizing schedules faster than traditional planning methods ever achieved before. Floating fabrication platforms could manufacture enormous bridge sections directly above the sea, minimizing transportation challenges for future megaprojects across oceans globally. Renewable energy systems integrated into future bridges may generate electricity while supporting cleaner transportation. Every generation inherits greater engineering knowledge because ambitious projects leave behind innovations reaching far beyond their original purpose for humanity together. Looking ahead, engineers continue asking the same timeless question. What impossible challenge will become tomorrow? Every remarkable structure begins with a bold idea, patient determination, and thousands of people believing impossible. The horizon always holds another extraordinary engineering story, waiting for curious minds to discover how innovative isn't. Engineers continue exploring deeper oceans because tomorrow's transportation networks will demand structures reaching. New offshore construction methods could dramatically reduce environmental impact while preserving fragile marine ecosystems surrounding future bridge corridors for generations ahead.
Advanced floating platforms may someday build complete bridge sections entirely offshore before positioning.
Future heavy lift systems will move larger structural components, shortening construction schedules while improving safety across increasingly ambitious marine infrastructure projects worldwide. Ocean engineering constantly evolves because every completed megaproject reveals smarter techniques for overcoming nature's greatest structural challenges with remarkable confidence together. Climate resilience will become increasingly important as future bridges face stronger storms, rising seas, and changing environmental conditions. Engineers already design smarter foundations capable of adapting to changing seabed conditions throughout decades of continuous operation beneath challenging marine environments together. Autonomous inspection fleets may eventually monitor every kilometer continuously.
Perfection. Powerful digital simulations now allow engineers to solve complex problems before construction even begins.
Every engineering breakthrough inspires another generation determined to build larger, safer, and more sustainable infrastructure, connecting people across extraordinary distances together. The greatest engineering achievements rarely end with completion because they continually inspire future innovation beyond their original purpose for humanity together forever. Bridges ultimately connect far more than coastlines because they unite economies, cultures, opportunities, and across the endless horizon. Countless future megaprojects quietly await bold minds willing to transcend. Every remarkable structure begins with curiosity, grows through determination, and succeeds because countless perhaps the next world-changing bridge will cross an even greater ocean, reshaping global transportation. History remembers extraordinary builders because they challenged accepted limits and transformed ambitious visions into. Innovation never truly stops because every completed project becomes the foundation supporting tomorrow. The ocean remains humanity's greatest engineering frontier, inviting fearless innovators to build connections where one extraordinary bridge changed the map forever. But countless future achievements are already waiting beyond today's horizon for determined engineers to discover. Thank you for joining this engineering journey, and another breathtaking construction story awaits just beyond the next remarkable horizon for curious explorers everywhere together. Future engineering will continue crossing impossible frontiers, because every completed bridge expands humanity's confidence to dream. Ocean infrastructure may someday connect entire continents, transforming global transportation through resilient structures built with technologies still emerging today across industries. Each engineering milestone becomes a lesson, inspiring innovators to design stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. Beyond every completed structure lies another challenge, demanding creativity, precision, resilience, and unwavering determination.
The greatest achievements rarely begin with certainty, because bold ideas always require courageous.
Across history, remarkable bridges have united distant lands. But tomorrow's innovations, engineering continues evolving because curiosity never stops asking how impossible challenges can become everyday realities for future generations around the world together. Perhaps the next record-breaking bridge already exists within someone's imagination. Thank you for exploring this extraordinary engineering journey, where determination transformed open ocean into a place. Until our next adventure, keep imagining the impossible, because every revolutionary engineering achievement